Ain't that pretty? A bathroom door. Guy had a slight attitude. So I was able to put a new door in. It works fine. So here is where his hand went through the wall. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to mud this up. Give me a second. First thing I want to do is take you a big knife. Now that's pretty hard, right? It was a punch in. We just know how to scrape it off. Take the knife and go back and forth. Then just cut it off flat. This is alright. You can also go like this and cut it to pieces. So you're not digging it out. This knife's not sharp. My old one is real sharp. I feel like nothing. Okay. Make sure you get your fuzzies off. Don't want to get no fuzz. That's a little high right there. Okay. Cool. Alright, we're ready to clean that bugger off. Bad fingers. Okay. So next we're going to do is put some mud on it. Alright, so we're going to slap some mud on this. Don't want it running, just want it on there. It's got a slight dip in it. So, just to fill in. Get some mud in the hole. Okay. Alright, so once you get the mud in the hole, take our fiber tape and we're going to do layers. We're going to put layers of mud on there. So it doesn't really matter if you start at the bottom or not. Do this little spot first. The mud on the tape. Cover it up. No problem. That's done. Now we'll go here. So what we're doing is put layers on it. Make sure you got mud on that new tape. Slightly overlap. Slightly overlap. A little mud on the tape. Because with the mud on there, it'll help it to bond. A little mud on there. Next layer piece up. Mud on there. Next piece up. Okay. Alright, so now that I got my tape on there, when you're spreading it, you just want to take your time, not a big hurry. It's on the wrist. You want to press outward. You want to make sure your edges are tapered. So, like that, next layer. This is not a one-time shoot. This is going to be multiple layers, really super thin, layers. Just making sure I got no high spots. show you what it looks like up close. So you got, it's all feathered out. You can still barely see the tape. And the camera probably looks worse than what it does in real life. I can just barely see the tape. It's not bulging out or nothing. So you can see from the side angle, you know, no big deal. So what we'll do is, I could actually throw a blower on this, put a blower on the floor, put a blower on that, that'd be ready for second coat in 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. This is 90-minute mud, that's why I like it, because it dries like pretty quick. I'm not in a hurry. This apartment's gonna rent it out for another like 9 days or something like that, so I'm gonna let this go for right now. I'll clean my mess here on the floor where I cut the foam off, and then the painters still gotta paint everything, so. Alrighty guys, we'll hit it on second coat.